You all know and love the cute towel animals that Carnival Cruise stewards place in your stateroom each day after servicing your cabin. If you take a closer look, you may just find a personalized towel mascot hanging out on your steward's cart. When we toured each deck for our door decorating video, we encountered dozens of charming creatures that we had never noticed before. Let us know in the comments which you thought was the most adorable.
It's like a whole little family. Look, oh my gosh, she's got lots of candy.
That's pretty cute.
Oh, the best one yet. What is that, Baby Yoda? Yeah, it's a baby. Look at that little pup. It's a snowman. Hey, buddy. Now this guy knows how to party. Look at him.
He made it through Thanksgiving.